12 days ago, basically, what happened was I pulled my back. I don't know how I heard it, quite frankly, but it was the pain. No, I wasn't doing anything fun. Anyway, the pain was so intense from this pulled back or whatever that I mean, it made me sick to my stomach. I was throwing up. Couldn't keep anything down. And went in through the whole day, and by that evening, I was just miserable. Hadn't eaten anything because I guess the back pain sent spasms into my stomach, and anytime I'd eat drink something, I'd just throw it up. So by the middle of the night, I was begging my husband to take me to the emergency room, and deep down, he knew that the hospital wouldn't help me, couldn't do anything. I just wanted a shot, just anything, so that I could get some relief. So the next morning, I remembered that I had been seen by you like 2 years ago, and it turned out that I went to another doctor that was closer to where we lived. We were living in Layton at the time, and you were gracious enough, and I thank you for taking me. First thing, you weren't even at the office yet when he called, and you said you'd work me in, and sure enough, he brought me straight over first thing in the morning. And after one treatment, I absolutely could not believe how it eased up the pain. And of course, it's the ProAdjuster lifestyle that I'm so sold on, because I had been treated by that system by you initially when I had been told I had to have back surgery and have my back fused. I landed up being treated for that condition by another doctor that also used the ProAdjuster that lived closer to where I was. But on this instance, I've seen you approximately 6 times now in 12 days, and I'm functioning just perfect. The second day I came in, I believe I told you that I was a walking advertisement because I felt 100% better. It was just unbelievable. As a matter of fact, the back pain went away before the stomach spasms, because the back was immediately relieved, whereas the stomach still was wondering why it had retched so much.
Right.
But I sincerely believe in you, Doctor. I thank you for working me in, even though I wasn't your patient after 2 years.
My pleasure.
But I really appreciate it.
Let me ask you a couple questions. What did we do to figure out your problem?
Well, you did an exam. You tested my balance, and you immediately, I wanted the table that stretches you, but you felt like I was just a little too sore, and I think I probably was real inflamed from the pain, and you just didn't think that was a good idea. So you treated me with the electrical stimulus and then also the ProAdjuster, and that just did wonders. And then oxygen, and that really helped. The oxygen actually helped my nausea quite a bit, and I was real impressed with that.
Fantastic. Have we given you any exercises yet to do at home?
Not yet, but you said we were going to be working on that.
We'll be doing that. So how's your life changed? How are you sleeping now?
Great, wonderful. It's
Fantastic.
just 180.
180 degree turnaround.
Yes, it is.
What would you tell someone who's a little bit nervous about going to see a chiropractor? What would you tell them?
Well, first of all, I tell them to only see a chiropractor that uses the ProAdjuster lifestyle, and I sincerely believe in that. In fact, I have Googled it for people in different cities, and it's real easy to use. It's just ProAdjuster.com. You go on, locate a doctor, and then if there's a ProAdjuster doctor, especially one like Dr. Smith, that really is thorough with balance, and he has the whole system. He knew why my stomach was retching, exactly where in the back my nerves were coming right to my intestines, and I mean, it made a difference. It really did.
Fantastic. How do you feel like our office has treated you?
Fantastic. Just wonderful. The other thing I had was massage. I had, along with the electrical stimulus, I had deep tissue massage, and that really helped stretch out where I had just kind of tightened up with the pain. That helped a lot.
So what kind of hobbies do you have that you plan on using your new spine for?
Hopefully I can go back to horseback riding. That's what I've always wanted to do. I mean, I love riding, but I haven't been able to for a while.
Okay. Well, I look forward to seeing you do more of your favorite stuff in the future.
Thank you.